not even gonna say anything. Just roll the footage.
Sunlight, warm nights, can't do much. I still feel your ice cold skin. Rice wine, candlelight is still not enough for me to know about your ins and outs. You're letting me know you want me around, but now how can
That is what we're trying to do today. I really hope it comes out good. You know, Valentine's Day is coming up, but this look might be cute for any time of the year. I just really love the technique that was used, so I'm definitely going to be trying that. First things first, moisturizing.
How can I be sure? You got me begging for more than a dead end, so lay it down for me
Next, I'm going to prime.
instead right now. Now, how about we just jump in the deep end? I won't let you drown.
Next, I'm going to use my foundation.
I won't let you down. Jump in the deep end. Oh, I won't let you drown. I won't let you down. Oh, no.
Then I'm going to take the darker foundation for the outer portion of my face.
Outline in the candlelight, got me reaching for the other side. I stretch my hands out forward, oh, but I hesitate. I watch the flame contort and die. I never claimed that I was brave. I only cut you out of way. I catch a wave. I only dip my toes and go hearted and divided, but you broke the silence sign. It got me diving. No.
Now I'm going to use this Tarte foundation as a concealer.
How can I be sure? You got me begging for more than a day.
I'm going to let that sit there and get tacky while I work on my eyebrows. Now, May's eyebrows are something to be admired because they're so thick and bushy, but also clean at the same time. I feel like every time you see them, you can see a lot of strokes. So that's what I'm going to try and emulate. I'm going to use some gel to really press these down.
So lay it down for me instead right now. Now, how about we?
Then I'm going to try and press these in so they're not so lifted off of my skin. Just kind of want to gently press them into place. It would be better if I had a brow marker, but I don't own one of those, so I'm gonna use this brow pencil.
Just jump in the deep end.
I'm just gonna try and make very thin hair strokes.
I won't let you drown. I won't let you down. Jump in the deep end. Oh, I won't let you drown. I won't let you down.
Okay, I think that looks good, but I'm going to try and define my actual hairs just a little bit more. So I'm gonna use mascara very, very lightly. Now I feel like we're getting closer to something that really looks like what she has going on. I think I'm gonna go over it with the gel one last time and that'll be it for the brows, because I really want to keep them bushy but organized.
You know, it's simply amazing, right?
I think this is perfect. I'm just gonna leave them just as they are, clean them up underneath with some concealer, and that's it for the brows. Now I'm gonna blend in the concealer under my eyes.
I can't wait to see you today. I just love it when you call me Kay. It don't matter what we're doing. No,
Then I'm gonna use this matchstick to add a little bit more concealer underneath here.
I'd rather be so time just races by. You're my high. There
And I'm just gonna blend all this out with my finger.
is never enough time. So effortless, don't got to try. Oh, you are homie and you're all my yeah. Hey, relax, lay back.
Now I'm gonna cover it with some powder just so it doesn't crease.
Yeah, right where we need to be, right on track.
And I'm using this CoverGirl Professional Loose Powder in 115.
Ain't a thing you like, baby. Your loving keeps giving.
Next, I'm going to contour with another matchstick.
And it's endless, transcendent, all that. Whiskey, how I like my coffee, yeah. I love how you trace the curves of my body. Sunday morning lay upon to me. Live in the moment in life, there's no guarantee. Relax, laid back, yeah. Right where we need to be, right on track. Ain't a thing you like, baby. Your loving keeps giving, it's endless, transcendent.
Now I'm gonna add some highlight to my nose, and this is from ColourPop.
All that. Relax, laid back, yeah. Right where we need to be, right on track. Ain't a thing you like, baby. Your loving keeps giving, it's endless,
I forgot to clean up under my eyebrows, so I'm just gonna do that really quickly.
transcendent. It's fearless, persistent, it's selfless, consistent. Leaves me breathless. Dear fantasy, it's patient, I'm clear.
I'm going to blend out my forehead, and then I think I'm gonna get started on the little kisses. Not gonna add blush because it looked like she added blush after she did the kisses, which is very smart because it will kind of set them as well. I'm gonna be using the Stunna lip paint in Uncensored.
Really infatuated, running out of ways to explain it.
And I'm not really trying to fill this in as if I'm doing my real lips because I know I'm gonna take this off and put it somewhere else. I just want them to look very defined because they're not real lips. Okay, now for the fun part. I have some plastic wrap here that I need to unravel, and I'm gonna press it into my lips and then use the plastic wrap as a stamp to transfer it to my face. Okay, here we go. I'm very nervous.
Sunlight, warm nights, can't do much. I still feel your ice cold skin. Rice wine, candlelight, still not enough for me to know about your ins and outs. Your
Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god.
How can I be sure? You got me begging for more than a dead end. So lay it down for me instead right now. No.
very faint. This lipstick dries so quickly. I think I have to reapply. And I'm gonna make it a little bit more wet.
Let you drown. I won't let you down. No, no.
Outline in the candlelight, got me reaching for the other side. I stretch my hands out forward, oh, but I hesitate. I watch the flame contort and die. I never claimed that I was brave, only cut you out the way I catch a way. Only dip my toes and go, hearted and divided. But you
Look how cute that is.
got me diving in.
Oh my goodness.
How can I be sure?
You got me begging for more than that. So lay it down for me instead right now. Now.
How about we just
Jump in the deep end. I won't let you drown.
You definitely need a lot of product on your lips. Okay, I think I'm gonna get rid of this one, which was my first one. I'm not gonna lie, I really like how they're all different. They just all look pretty unique. Now, the next thing I'm gonna do is liner. I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. liner. Now for the lashes, I feel like these lashes are very big and dramatic, so I'm going to be using these.
You know, it's simply amazing.
Actually don't know where they're from because they don't have a case. Oh, before I put the lashes on, I probably should put the blush on, duh. I'm gonna use this one from this Tarte palette.
I can't wait to see you today. I just love it when you call me Kay. It don't matter what we do.
While I wait for my lashes to dry, let's take a look at what she's got going on for the lips. It looks like a light brown nude gloss. So I'm gonna take this color. I don't know if you guys can even see that, but it's Mademoiselle Shawty from Fenty. And I'm gonna lightly line my lips.
Nowhere I'd rather be, so time just races by. You're my high, there is never enough time. So effortless, don't got to try.
And then blend that out because I think it's very dark. I'm gonna take my concealer color. I'm gonna put it on my top lip. Then I'm gonna use this brown gloss that I have to go over the whole thing.
Oh, you are home, yeah, and you're all my yeah. Hey, relax, lay back, yeah.
Okay, I put the lashes on and it really puts this look together, but I feel like it's missing a beauty mark. So I think I'm gonna add one over here.
Right where we need to be, right on track. Ain't a thing you like, baby.
Okay, I love this. I think that's pretty much it for the makeup look, so I'm gonna fix my hair, change into something that matches the theme, and I'll be back.
Sunlight, warm nights, can't do much. I still feel your ice cold skin.
If you're thinking about recreating this look, go ahead and do it. It's super easy. Thanks for hanging out.
Letting me know you want me.